Then, understanding the concept of magic involves delving into the realm where words transform into frequencies and vibrations capable of directing energy. Then, this fundamental understanding serves as the cornerstone for exploring how words can be utilized as potent tools akin to magic spells, often dismissed as mere fantasy. Then, the reality of magic's influence pervades our world, orchestrating unseen forces that shape our perceptions and actions. Then, it's a reality veiled from those who haven't yet discerned its subtleties, leaving them unwittingly subject to its sway behind the curtains of worldly affairs. Then practitioners of this mystical art, then often referred to as dark magicians, exert their influence for personal gain and control, despite its potential for positive transformation. Magic is often wielded to manipulate and dominate, perpetuating a cycle of power and subjugation. At its core, magic harnesses the most primal force in the universe, energy. Mastery over this energy grants wielders unprecedented power, elevating them to positions of influence and authority. Then this profound understanding reveals the pervasive nature of magic, subtly shaping the very fabric of our existence. Then, as we dive deeper into the essence of magic, then it's crucial to comprehend its definition and origins, which are rooted in antiquity. Then, the term magic traces its lineage through various linguistic iterations, then from the Old French magi to the Latin magicus and the Greek magikos. Then, one of its earliest definitions alludes to its essence as the art of influencing events and manifesting marvels through the manipulation of hidden natural forces. Then such forces, intricately intertwined with magnetic and electrical energies, then underpin the workings of magic, then resonating with the very fabric of existence, notably the term magnetic itself. Then echoes of magic hint at the intrinsic connection between these phenomena. Then central to the practice of magic are certain words and sacred geometries serving as utes for potent energies. These words, meticulously chosen for their resonance and vibrational potency, encode within them the power to direct and shape. By uttering these words aloud, practitioners tap into the inherent vibrational patterns they carry, manipulating energy according to their will. Then, as you discover more about words and how they can be used to cast spells, you are able to grasp the profound implications of language manipulation from the moment you utter a word. Then you send forth vibrations that ripple through the Earth's magnetic field, shaping the very fabric of reality. Then this realization underscores the importance of mindfulness in speech, for every word uttered carries with it the potential to manifest outcomes. Then beyond comprehension, then consider the power inherent in the phrase, "I am." Then these two simple words, then, when spoken with conviction, possess the ability to shake your reality, affirm your identity, and influence the course of your life's journey in the quest to harness. With the power of words, it becomes imperative to delve into the intricacies of sound and vibration. Then each syllable and phoneme resonates with a specific frequency capable of eliciting profound shifts in consciousness and perception. Then, while exploring the labyrinth of language, you discover that certain words possess innate vibrational patterns encoded with the ability to manipulate and direct energy. It is through the mastery of these vibrational patterns that practitioners of magic unlock the secrets of reality. Then wield words as instruments of transformation and manifestation in the esoteric teachings of ancient wisdom traditions. Then the potency of words as magical spells is extolled with reverence, as Hermes Trismegistus proclaimed above, "Then so below as within, then so without." This fundamental principle underscores the interconnectedness of all phenomena, highlighting the profound influence of language on the fabric of reality in the sacred texts of mystic traditions. Then words are revered as sacred vessels through which divine wisdom flows, carrying with them the power to invoke higher states of consciousness and spiritual awakening. Yet amidst the beauty and wonder of linguistic expression lies a cautionary tale, a reminder of the responsibility inherent in wielding the power of words. For just as words can uplift and inspire, they can also enslave and deceive. It is through discernment and conscious intention that you navigate the labyrinth of language, steering clear of the pitfalls of manipulation and illusion. Utilizing words wisely and reverently will allow you to harness language's power as a magical conduit, allowing you to shape your reality accordingly. You find yourself confronted with the enigmatic art of spelling. Then, as you peel back the layers of language, you uncover a hidden world teeming with symbolism and significance. Then the very act of spelling a word, you realize, is not merely a mundane exercise in communication, but a potent invocation of magical occult forces. Then imagine you are a young apprentice who has stumbled upon an ancient grimoire containing powerful spells drawn by curiosity and the promise of arcane knowledge. The apprentice delved into the tea, deciphering its cryptic instructions with trembling hands, with each word meticulously inscribed. The apprentice unwittingly wielded the power of spells, shaping reality. Then with every stroke of the quill embedded within the fabric of language lies the subtle web of symbolism waiting to be unraveled by the discerning seeker. Then the word spelling itself holds clues to its magical connotations, echoing the essence of magic spells in its composition. However, beyond the surface lies a deeper truth. The deliberate arrangement of letters and phonemes serves to imbue words with potent, energetic signatures. It is through the mastery of spelling that practitioners of magic unlock the secrets of reality, wielding words as instruments of transformation and manifestation. Think of a wise sage who, after years of diligent study and introspection, discovered the hidden meanings encoded within the letters of the alphabet. Through each revelation, the sage gained insight into the interplay between sound and vibration, harnessing its power to shape history. Then, despite the allure of linguistic sorcery, there is a cautionary tale lurking beneath it, a reminder that words are powerful, but they also come with great responsibility, for just as words can uplift and inspire, they can also enslave and deceive. Then consider the parable of a misguided sorcerer who, in a bid for power and dominion, then unleashing a torrent of spells upon the world, blind to the consequences of his actions, the sorcerer wrought havoc and destruction, snaring innocent souls in his web of manipulation. Then, it is through the lessons of humility and wisdom that one learns to tread the path of magic with reverence and respect, mindful of the profound impact of every word spoken in the crucible of linguistic alchemy. You stand poised on the threshold of discovery, ready to unlock the secrets of reality with the power of your words as you delve deeper into the mysteries of spelling. Remember the words of Socrates, "Know thyself, and thou shalt know the universe." By mastering the art of spelling with intention and clarity, you harness the transformative power of language, shaping your reality with purpose and wisdom as you journey deeper into the realm of linguistic enchantment. You come to realize the subtle ways in which magic permeates your reality. Every word spoken and every thought expressed carries with it the potential to shape your perception and influence your actions. Then, however, amidst the seed of words and symbols lies the ever-present threat of magical manipulation, an insidious force that seeks to ensnare your mind and control your destiny. Then during this crucible of awareness, you must be vigilant against the dark magician's nefarious spells. then defending your mind against them in the esoteric teachings of ancient wisdom traditions, then the concept of protection against magical influence is central to the path of spiritual enlightenment. Lao once said, "Those who know do not speak. Those who speak do not know." This profound insight underscores the importance of cultivating inner wisdom and discernment. By shielding oneself from the subtle influences of magical manipulation, by honing your awareness and intuition, you fortify your mind against the onslaught of spells and incantations, emerging unscathed amidst the chaos of the unseen realms. But protection against magical influence extends beyond mere awareness. It requires a deep understanding of the mechanisms of manipulation employed by dark magicians. Consider the analogy of a master illusionist who, through a slight hand gesture and misdirection, captivates the minds of unsuspecting onlookers, much like illusionists. Then art and magical spells operate on the principle of deception, then cloaking reality in a veil of illusion and falsehood in order to inoculate yourself against the subtle influences of magical manipulation. You must peel back the layers of deception and uncover the truth hidden beneath. Ultimately, the key to protecting your mind from magical influence lies in reclaiming your sovereignty and embracing your inner power. Then, by recognizing the inherent divinity within yourself, you transcend the limitations imposed upon you by dark magicians, emerging as a beacon of light amidst the shadows of deception.